So hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm just walking through a sunflower field and you can see that it has been attacked by aphids. So that's why you see these crinkled leaves. It'll pass in a couple of weeks. But the more interesting thing is this field, what I like to show you. This is a... so these are weeds actually. Papaver rhoas and Consolida orientalis, but it looks amazing. And there are also a few Anthemis. So I just walk through this field and you can see and enjoy the flowers and the cars which are passing by. This is the Anthemis, and you can see all those black animals on the flowers. These are actually thrips. So thrips usually like white or yellow flowers, and there can be dozens of them in one flower. So these weeds, it's a wheat field actually, are usually weeds of cereal crops like wheat, winter wheat, and for example this papaver, the red one, can, so it's when it sows, the seeds are sown, they can survive for 50 years in the soil and can still germinate. So these are really hard to get rid of, but all of them are annuals. You can see these beautiful flowers. You can see all the bumblebees are pollinating these weeds. Yep, some roadsides are like this beautiful in May in Hungary. So if you like my content, you can always like and subscribe and leave a comment. It is very much appreciated. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.